Learn how to pronounce mayonnaise the right way, mayonnaise. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to master the pronunciation of the word mayonnaise. This creamy condiment is a staple in many cuisines, but often mispronounced. Many English speakers say mayonnaise or mayonnaise, but the correct pronunciation is mayonnaise. Let's break it down. May like the month, a soft schwa sound, and naise rhyming with haze. Say it with me slowly. May-uh-naze. Now naturally, mayonnaise. Great. This word comes from the French language, and getting the pronunciation right will impress your friends and servers alike. Let's try it in a sentence. I added mayonnaise to the sandwich. Again, mayonnaise on the sandwich. Excellent. Repeating it will help you remember the correct pronunciation. Let's go one more time together. Mayonnaise, mayonnaise, mayonnaise. Well done. Now you sound like a culinary expert.